Hello, you mayhem makers. I'm Mindy with Quilting Mayhem. I have not done an on the floor unboxing video in a while, so we got some new lovelies. I thought I'd take some time to show you. So, Orchard and Grove by Windham. I'm really loving this one. This one, the colors are just really good, and look, there's like cute little bumblebees in there. It's just a fun collection. You know, gotta admit, a little tired of the Christmas and the Halloween. Like, the holidays, we've been drowning in holiday fabric, so it's nice to get kind of this springy, summery collection. It's got some great coordinating pieces that could go with a lot. And this is a pretty, almost minty color. You don't see a lot of that. And then, of course, this is a gorgeous kind of plum with these oranges, and then it's offered, of course, in teal. I'm really liking this collection. And then these coordinates, they're just a speckled little dot print, so almost total in several different colorways. Oh, look at how pretty. This is kind of a brick red almost. We don't get enough of that color either. I think that's part of why I like this collection, is it's in a color palette that's not as common as we're used to. This is a really gorgeous blue, green, olivey green, one of my favorites. Nice lavender, and then another one of the kind of leafy prints. I love this collection. We got shorter bolts. These are only like 10-yard bolts, so if you want it, you better hop on it, because these are a one and done. Hope you enjoy.